We're just tasting a bit of different pie. That's all. We're just having a slice of different pie. Man, this is cool. You know what I mean? Like, this is cool right here. Well, it's definitely not getting any warmer, at least not yet. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, today, another big day. We're actually going to look at another project car that I kind of just found real quick. So, as you guys can see, I don't really have much room for, let alone 3 cars, let alone 2. This is going to be kind of one of those things that we're going to buy it, kind of fix it, flip it type deal. We'll see what happens. And then the rest of the day, if you guys saw yesterday's video, we started working on this whole thing again. So this is all sold, this is sold, that's sold. If you guys want to buy the RB20 itself, please hit me up, man. I would really prefer like a local pickup, or if you guys want to come over and grab it or something like that, we can, you know, hang out for a minute, have a drink, whatever. Hit me up, because I think I want to go ahead and upgrade. You know, this thing has been in here for so long, it's treated me so well, there's no need to take it out, but just for the fact of change, you know, improving, getting things bigger and better. I think Landon Jurgens is supposed to be here soon. Let's go ahead and take a look at a project car today. I don't know how much I'll be able to film, because it's always a little sketchy just bringing a freaking camera to some random stranger's dude's house, but I'll see what I can do. When we do get back, it would be nice to go ahead and just start the whole process of getting this engine out. That's the plan. Alright, so this guy just called me, says he can't sell it as I'm on my way. He just calls me now and he goes, alright, come by. I might be able to sell it. Alright, we're good. I was getting a little nervous for a second. I was getting a little nervous. Ah, damn it. I should have went. Alright, so it is well into the day, but look where we are. Yeah, it's been too long. So went ahead and looked at the car, dude. This guy has just tossed me all over the place. So first off, he was like, yeah, come by, come take a look. He called me, let's go. Get there, actually on my way. Look at this man. On my way there, and he just goes and he's like, yeah, sorry, the car's not for sale anymore. I just go there anyway, I show up and he's like, yeah, come take a look at it, it's for sale. But you know what, right now,
yo, show him the burger.
I'm so hungry.
Inside my car. There's
Yep.
a burger. Chilling.
Oh, dude. Yo, what is that? And you got sauce with it too, bro. I'm gonna go get some food and I'll keep you guys posted. So the car, it definitely needs some work. It's not gonna be something that I'm gonna go ahead and buy and purchase for myself. It's gonna be one of those things where I buy it and get it running and flip it type of deal. Maybe do some paint, some body work, stuff like that. You guys will probably, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I guess you'll see if I got it or not. But we are back at the shop. I just want to at the shop. Oh boy. Oh hey, we got the right thought, right? We got the right mindset. We have our whole intake manifold. Huge box, right? Unbelievable. Intake manifold is in here. We have the exhaust manifold, the wastegate, the dump tube, and the turbo all up in here. So that all that is sold. Guys, I've made my bits. I'm getting excited. I can't even speak. I have made my decision. We are selling the RB20, and I'm going big boy mode. We're going RB25. We're going 25, 26, or 30. That's the plan, guys. We're going to go ahead and take this out. We're going to make it look just as good as the Z. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are still excited. We're still sticking the RB family. By the way, guys, I will be at Import Alliance Atlanta in the Z. Should I leave it red? I'm thinking I might just leave it red for the first show, and then go ahead and do our little, I mean, I have a plan for a wrap. We're not going to go ahead, I'm not going to sand the body of the car, that way I can just peel it off and, you know, just have red again. But I do have a color in mind. I think I might wrap them both the same color. I think that'd be super cool, just straight up squad. So, you know, but guys, today it's a late start. It's like 7 o'clock. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing prepped and ready to be pulled. Get all the wiring out of here. Just kind of start cleaning up the bay and getting it ready for the whole pull. So I'm going to get to work. So by the way, since we're selling the RB20, the trans is kind of no good. So okay, trans, they're just going to get scrapped. The car actually has LS2 coil packs in it right now, which will be coming with the engine. I would sell the wiring harness, and it works fantastic. I mean, I wouldn't probably ask too much for it. But all of it's for sale, you know, since we're getting rid of it.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap packs to my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine. They wanna be, but I never knew.
I currently have my fuse box all tucked in behind my dash. We're gonna redo all of that. I'm gonna take my fuse dash out, redo the whole fuse box harness. A lot of moves being made, guys. A lot of moves being made. I gotta say, man, I wouldn't mind some bald eagles under the hood. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't mind it. We'll kind of see what happens, guys. Maybe one UZ would be freaking cool. If we went LS, we'd obviously turbo it. You know what I mean? Like, we would have to turbo it. And maybe not right off the bat, but we would for sure turbo it. I don't know. I think it'd be cool. Something different, you know what I mean? And it's just an engine, guys. You can't get too upset about that. It's literally just an engine that's so easily changed. You know, they're my cars anyway. All right, guys. I think I have a pretty good plan right now. Hear me out, okay? Hear me out. So, currently, what I think we're gonna do, guys, is go LS. Okay? Hang on. Why do we hate LSs? I really don't know. I used to not really like them. Granted, I don't really think they should be. I don't really believe they belong in this car. But how do I know? I've never driven one. I've never been in one with one. But hang on. We're still gonna go RB25. The nice thing was an LS, I can literally do like a junkyard build. It'll be cool. We can go ahead, find one at a scrapyard, pull it, toss it in the car, make sure it's all like good and stuff like that. Do a compression test or just tear it apart, make sure the internals are okay. It's not gonna blow up on us, you know, within 5 minutes. Shout out Taylor Ray. And you know, with the turbo on it, we could have a lot of fun. Now, hear me out. We have our RB, right? The RB25 over there. I think we'll either just, because I really want to get an RB26. Like, so much of me wants to go RB26, but I don't want to just buy an RB26 and put it in the car and just run it. No, like, I want this thing to be like goals, you know what I mean? Like, beautiful, like completely redone, new this, new that, and that's going to take a bit of time, but I want to take my time. Like, I want to make sure everything's done properly, correctly, nicely, neatly, everything proper. So, it's just more content, guys. We're still gonna put an RB in this thing, but I think for now, I can probably get one pretty cheap as far as an LS goes. The only thing that might be a little bit more expensive is like a T56, but I can maybe find one at a scrapyard as well. I found this CD09 from a scrapyard, and it works fantastic. So that's kind of where my mind's at. So just want to update you guys. That's what's happening. I think it's the move. I think it's a smart move. So we have content coming with a new project car. We'll have an LS swap, which will be totally different, and we'll also have either an RB26 build going on in the background, or we have our RB25 head, so we can do an RB30 block and still do something insane. So we have options, but we're still doing the RB. We're just tasting a bit of different pie. That's all. We're just having a slice of different pie. And also, you can't be mad because, I mean, we have a freaking dope 2J right here, so, you know, build the RB in the background, have that thing be awesome by the time we're done with it, and then toss it back in eventually after. Then we can say, hey, we did an LS, hey, we loved it, hey, we didn't like it. It'll be cool. So I guess, like, the main reason is, you know, I want to go RB right off the bat, but I also want to drive my car this year, you know what I mean? Like, building the RB, I want it to be a process, I want to be meticulous, I want to make sure it's done right, properly, all the good parts, you know. I don't want to kind of skimp out on it. So the nice thing with LS, I can just buy it, toss it in, pop a turbo on it, make, you know, put on 7 pounds or something like that. You know, make 400, 500 horsepower. So I don't know. That's where my mind's at, man. I want to drive my car and not look at it for so long while I'm building an engine for it. I'm doing power steering right now. Sorry. Oh my god. Alright, so this thing is pretty much ready to be pulled out. All I gotta do is, right now I'm loosening up the motor mounts, which, by the way, these are also going to be for sale. If you guys want McKinney motor mounts, definitely let me know. They are for an RB20 specifically, at least the way the angle of the mount is. So unless you get RB20 engine mount brackets on the block, but they are for an RB20 specifically. If you guys are interested, hit me up. I have the trans mount as well. I do it for like $300 if you guys are interested. I'll include the solid engine bushings as well, which are like $75 alone. So pretty decent deal. let's pull this thing out. Tomorrow, we'll do it tomorrow. All right, well, that's gonna be it. I got the motor ready to be pulled out. Sorry, today was a little bit kind of hectic just because we went to go see that new car that we're probably gonna be going ahead and picking up. And then actually oh, hang on, I bought a Skyline. Guys, I am the owner of an R34. It's fully JDM too, by the way. From Japan, okay, from Japan. Look at that. Tell me that's not freaking rad. It's from the mainland. So I'm pretty stoked about building that. I'll show you guys. I'll hop on a live stream maybe. I don't know. Who knows? It's not really that interesting. But I used to get those when I was a kid a lot, so I'm pretty excited. But yeah, I got everything all prepped. Everything's all disconnected. Did a lot of stuff off camera just because it's small stuff, but hopefully you guys kind of understand my whole ideology behind this whole LS RB thing. We're going RB, but in the time being, I think it'll be cool just to go LS. We're gonna go back to full meat fitment, no stretch, nice big fat chunky tires on here, and it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be sweet. We're not gonna go straight pipe LS. It's gonna be super nice and it's gonna sound good, and I think it'll be a really cool series. There'll be a lot of content, and you guys can't get mad because we're still putting an RB in it. It's just LS is gonna come first because that'll allow us to drive the car in the meantime while we're building an RB. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm really excited. This is gonna be pretty cool. It's different, and I definitely was not expecting this. I told myself I would never do this, and here we are. Never say never, right? But all right, guys, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. New car, maybe pull the motor as well, or maybe we'll just work on the new car a little bit. We'll kind of figure out what we're doing, but I'll see you guys then. Take it easy. Have a good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, toss a like, comment, share with your friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.